What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Speed Demon by Justin Bieber. I'm going to give you the chord progression, I'm going to break down how to play each chord, and I'm going to give you a strumming pattern that you can use for the song. Timestamps are going to be down in the pinned comment and description below, so you can refer to that if you need to. But first, here's an example of how it's going to sound like. Alright, y'all, as you can see, I have a capo here on the first fret, and every chord that I teach is relative to the capo. There's only 5 chords you need to know. Those 5 chords are B minor 7, F sharp minor 7, A major 7, C sharp minor 7, and D major 7. And now here's a breakdown of how to play the chords. First chord is B minor 7, so we're going to bar the 2nd fret, and we're putting our fingers on the 3rd fret of the B string and the 4th fret of the D string, and it's going to sound like this. Next chord is F sharp minor 7, so we're still going to bar the 2nd fret, and now we're just putting our finger on the 4th fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. Next chord is A major 7, so we're going to put our fingers on the 1st fret of the G string and the 2nd fret of the D and the B string, and it's going to sound like this. Next chord is C sharp minor 7, so we're going to bar the 4th fret, and we're putting our fingers on the 5th fret of the B string and the 6th fret of the D string, and it's going to sound like this. And finally, the last chord is D major 7, so we're just going to put our fingers here on the 2nd fret, and I'm kind of using my index finger to cover all 3 bottom strings, which is the G, B, and high E string, and it's going to sound like this. And I want you to note that you can also play the D major 7 here on the 5th fret if you choose to, but this is going to be a bar chord, just a fair warning. So you would bar the 5th fret and put your fingers on the 6th fret of the G string and the 7th fret of the D and the B string, and it's going to sound like this. Okay, so you can do either or, it's up to you. Now, if we think about this in 4 counts, it's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the strumming pattern, I'm going to place it down on the bottom of your screen. I'm going to go ahead and play the chord progression, so just follow along and pay close attention. That's just an example of what you can do. I feel like it sounds very close to the song, but by all means, if you figure out another way that sounds better to you, then go ahead and do so. You are the creator, so you have the power to do that. But that's how you play the song. As always, guys, I appreciate you tapping into this tutorial. I hope that it helped you out. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment them down below, and I'll do my best to answer them when I have the time. If you feel this added value, give this video a thumbs up and share it with somebody that wants to learn the song. While you're here, I'd like to invite you to follow my other social media pages. I have TikTok and Instagram, which I'll link down in the description and pinned comment below. I have tutorials on there that I don't necessarily have on here, so you might want to go ahead and follow me on those platforms. And please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you liked this tutorial and you want more like this. Right now, there's another tutorial popping up on your screen. Go ahead and check that one out. I think you'll like it as well. And I'll see y'all on the next video.